Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about differences between Swing and AWT, part of programming in Java course. There are several differences between Swing and AWT. Look and feel. Swing provides a more consistent look and feel across different platforms compared to AWT. Swing components use a pluggable look and feel architecture, which allows developers to change the appearance of components without modifying the code. AWT components, on the other hand, have a platform-dependent look and feel. Components. Swing provides a more extensive set of components than AWT, including tables, trees, and more advanced layouts. AWT components are more basic and are limited to buttons, labels, text fields, and simple layouts. Performance. Swing components are more lightweight and have less overhead than AWT components, which makes them more efficient and responsive. Event handling. Swing uses an event delegation model for event handling, which is more efficient than the event inheritance model used by AWT. Threading. Swing components are not thread safe and should be accessed only from the event dispatch thread. AWT components, on the other hand, are thread safe and can be accessed from any thread. Deprecation. Swing is actively maintained and supported by Oracle, while AWT is considered to be deprecated and its development has stopped. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.